How to use Urban VPN in laptop. 3 settings most people never touch. So if you're using your Urban VPN, so today I'll be teaching you how to do this. So we're using a PC, but it's still same with the laptop. Anyways, here you go, guys. Here, first check your VPN location. Your selected location determines which VPN service you do. Yeah, first select. Let's do like France. There we go. Connecting. And setting number 2 right here. For setting number 2, connect connection. All we need to do is open up our settings menu later and look for any connection or protocol option available in your version of Urban VPN. If you're having connection problems, changing the available connection option can sometimes help, guys. And there you go. As you can see, just changing this. There you go. Connection right there. Sometimes it may help, sometimes it may not. Yeah. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's just joking. Anyways, guys, there. And the setting number 3, startup setting. Finally, check the startup setting. If Urban VPN is an option to launch when your laptop starts. There you go. As you can see, launch Urban VPN during Windows startup. There you go. You can enable or disable it depending on whether you want the VPN ready automatically or not. But yeah, those are the settings that most people don't yeah, like most people never touch. But anyways, guys, here you go. Hope you do enjoy the fun of question concerns. Have a question, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible, and thank you, guys.